What's up, YouTube? This is M&J Cards coming back at you with another box break. This time we're going to do a box of 2007 Artifacts football, and this box break's brought to you by BlowoutCards.com.
Are you talking to me? Huh?
There's 10 packs in a box, 4 cards per pack. Should be 3 game used and an autograph in this. Right off the bat, we got a Patrick Willis, serial numbered 4 of 25. Got a James Anderson short printed rookie. And looks like we got our first hit. It is Mark Bulger, number 28 of 99. Got a rookie of Drew Stanton. An insert of Antoine Bowden. Looks like we got a dual game used of Eli Manning. Card serial numbered 168 of 350. Got a John Beck short printed rookie. A Heath Miller insert. Got a Dwayne Wright short printed rookie. Got a Jarius Norwood autograph. Got a Terrell Owens, not sure if that's a patch or what. Card serial numbered 2 of 25. Nice little hit right there. Got a Jordan Palmer short printed. Got a Scott Chandler rookie short print. That's it. See you on the next one.